So we're at Camp Foster Marine Base and I'm gonna get this shirt. It's cute. I like how it says Okinawa on it. I'm gonna buy all these. It's really cute. So I got money out at the PX. This is yen. So this is $100, and you just move 2 decimals to the left, and that's equivalent to how much it is. We had to stop at Lawson's again, and I got a coffee and chicken. I broke my 50. Spicy. This is what the bathroom looks like at McDonald's. So fancy. So me and my sister are here in Kokosai, walking around. We are grilling. This looks yummy. Move this. Yep. I fail at eating with chopsticks. Are you gonna get it? Balls? What? Look at SpongeBob. Look! Extra boobies. Pens. I have like a weird obsession with office supplies. Like I really don't need more pens, but I'm gonna buy it. Oh, it's a kitty! Gosh, more bracelets. I love it. I wish I can like bring back sake, but I have like carry-ons, so I don't think I can bring it back in. Pineapple bear. Thank you. Mango. We're at the beach. It's pretty interesting. They have like a barrier because my sister said there's jellyfish on the other side.
Don't drop your, put your strap on.
I don't have a strap on my camera. Woo, water. It's nice. I haven't been on a beach in like such a long time. Oh my gosh, I remember one time when we were in Santa Cruz because my sister had like a softball game and then I was like, oh my gosh, seashells, and then I did, whoop, and then my sunglasses fell. I only had those glasses for like 2 hours. Why does that look so funny? There's an aquarium inside the mall.
Look at the face.
Oh look, what is this? Looks like it's sleeping. That's interesting out there. Oh, it looks like a beluga. I don't know what a beluga is. It just looks like it sounds like. Fishies.
No. Is it sushi?
I didn't say sushi. Sushi. They have a Forever 21 here. We're gonna check it out. Oh, it's cute. That's such a cute swimsuit. I don't know yet. I don't know what I should buy. I don't know. Do you think these are better? This mall has 3 stories.
No.
No? How many?
4.
Okay, this mall has 4 stories. This place smells good. It smells like a shower.
I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen.
So we're eating Italian food. I got spaghetti. My sister got a pizza and she got a pasta too. Yummy. That's good. Right here. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Got milk tea. It's green milk tea. We're taking angel pics. Oh, we have to do this. Okay. This looks fucking ridiculous. You look like an alien. Look at your head. Put like the days on it. Here. Oh, use it. This one. No, this one.